I've got something in here. I wonder if you're old enough, you know what it is. It's this cord. Oh, do you know what that's from? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to pull these seats out to clean the carpet. Alright, so we've got a couple of 14s at the front here, then we'll move it forward and we'll undo the ones at the back. We'll get that out and we'll give it a good vacuum. Alright, we've got 2 bolts at the front here, both 14s. We'll undo these ones, and we'll move the seat forward, and we'll get the back ones out. Then we've got to unplug it. Alright, got the 2 front ones out. It's pretty far forward. Got the caps that we need to get off, then we'll get the ones out of the back. Oh, what have we got here? Macintosh. An amplifier. Right, so I just moved it a bit and we had some Nerf bullets come down and a pen. What else are we gonna find? Alright, so I've just moved it back so the rails are under the seat. Ooh, ooh, pliers. Nice. King Kong pliers. Alright, we got the seat out. Not much, another pen. A circlip. 10 cents. That's it. Alright. Well, we got a little extra thing there. Maybe for heated seats in a different model. Right. Let's put the battery back on and we'll do the driver's seat. So when I go to do the airbags, I disconnect the battery. So I don't want them to go boom. Right, battery back on. So same thing again. Seat all the way back, undo the 2. Seat all the way forward, undo the back 2. Alright, so found 5 cents in the back. Best find ever. A French fry. Let's undo these 2 bolts. Alright, battery's disconnected again. We have both bolts out of the back. Let's see what we find. What? Alright. So the white plug and the black plug aren't too bad. There's a little green slider. It's a bit hard. So I'll get a straight blade. Okay, you gotta push down this bit first. Can't really see it. There we go. Woo! Oh, creamy. Creamy aioli from KFC. That's the best find. That's disgusting. Oh. These are heavy. Woo! Alright, what have we got? Cover. What is that? 500 rupiah, is it? Indonesia. Right, bottle cap. And not much. Got 5 cents over here. And I don't know where that repair went. Yeah, nothing much really. Definitely pretty gruddy down the side of the, yeah, both sides. Something's been spilt down. But it's getting a bit late now. Obviously I can't make all the noise in the world to clean this up, so I'll come back and do it. It'll be the next scene for you guys. Alright, it's the next day. Gonna do some vacuuming. Let's get rid of those. I've got all this rubbish. These are toast. Could probably bring them back to life, but I don't know. Alright. I've got an old iPod adapter. Let's get the vacuum cleaner going. Right, time for the driver's side. Already got the big things out. Alright guys, she's a lot cleaner, not 100%, but not too bad, because we're going to be spending a bit of time around here. If you haven't noticed by now, this Liberty is a donor car, and it's a donor car for my GT Forester, my SF5. We are putting the 6-speed into the automatic Forester, so stay tuned for that. It's coming up by the end of the year. It'll be finished, fingers crossed. But we're going to start pulling this Liberty apart next episode, guys, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.